Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to protect your AirPods Pro from scratches thanks to some different cases that you can find on Amazon or even better on AliExpress just for a couple of euros. So if you want to give a long life to your AirPods Pro or your regular AirPods, you definitely should buy a case for them. Because even if you will be very careful with this small white box, you will have a lot of scratches within 2 to 3 weeks of daily usage. Just check this image. The case protects your AirPods not only from scratches, but also from situations when you drop your AirPods on some solid surfaces or when it falls out of your pocket. It's always nice to keep your device in a good condition so it will last you longer, it's better for your wallet and for the planet. I bought several cases on AliExpress for about 2 euros, each of them with free shipping. Anyway, I'm not ready to spend more money on accessories. It arrived to France just in 10 days or even less. Actually, I'm very surprised how nice and fast works AliExpress standard free shipping. And by the way, at the end of the video I will show you the differences in prices for the same or similar cases on Amazon and AliExpress. You will be surprised. Let's continue my presentation. So this one is my favorite. I called it Star Wars Edition. It's made of a nice and soft plastic with carbon fiber style bag and white plastic frame. Don't worry, wireless charging is still working perfectly. You don't need to pull off the case to wirelessly charge your AirPods, and all of those cases are wireless charge friendly. What I do like about this one is that it's really solid and I can take it to some tough places. It's very well made and the quality of this is like 10 of 10. Actually, it's just a piece of plastic all in all. Next one is also came to me from China and it reminds me of some beautiful stones. It's pretty solid as well. I like it very much. I like to change cases time to time according to my mood or just to match my iPhone case or Apple Watch band. I'm not doing this every day, but just time to time. Let's say it's my hobby. And the last one is the cheapest one. This is a simple silicone or rubber style case. I should admit it looks really cheap and it feels cheap as well, but it does the job. If you don't have more than 60 cents for this type of accessories, that should be your choice. What I don't like about this case is that it has tendencies to peel off and it just simply feels like a condom or something. And now let's check together the difference in price between Amazon and AliExpress. As you can see, the difference is quite significant. If you are ready to wait at least 10 days and you want to save some money, just buy on AliExpress. Save your money and don't be stupid. That's how Jeff Bezos became the richest man on the planet. You can do the same. I hope you like this video. Please hit the subscribe button for my future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.